Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video, we will discuss how to set up FiveBox Wi-Fi Repeater using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. Basically, the FiveBox Wi-Fi Repeater is a small device that helps extend your existing Wi-Fi signal to cover weak or dead zones in your home or office. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. First of all, plug your FiveBox Wi-Fi Repeater into a wall socket near your main Wi-Fi router for the initial setup. Wait for about 30 seconds until the power LED turns solid on. This means the device is ready. Locate the WPS button on your main Wi-Fi router. It's usually labeled as WPS or sometimes shown with 2 arrows forming a circle repeat button. On some routers, it might be combined with another function, like reset/WPS. Press and hold the WPS button on your router for about 2 to 3 seconds. The WPS indicator light on your router will start blinking, meaning it's in WPS pairing mode. Within 1 minute of pressing the router's WPS button, go to your FiveBox repeater and press its WPS button for about 2 to 3 seconds. The WPS LED on your repeater will start blinking. This shows it's trying to connect with the router. The devices will now automatically connect. This process usually takes 30 to 60 seconds. When the connection is successful, the signal or link LED on the repeater will turn solid green or blue, depending on model. This means your repeater is now linked with your main Wi-Fi network. Once the connection is complete, unplug the repeater and move it to a location between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi signal. Plug it in there and wait for the LEDs to stabilize again. On your phone, laptop, or smart TV, open Wi-Fi settings. You'll see a new Wi-Fi name like your Wi-Fi name _xt or your Wi-Fi name plus. Connect to it using the same password as your main Wi-Fi network. Your FiveBox Wi-Fi repeater is now successfully connected via WPS. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.